All right, just got myself a new table. Now this table is gonna host the cooking, the actual grill. Now this is stainless steel. I don't want to remove the actual tag, but you can see some of it here. I want to keep it as long as possible because it's gonna scratch easily. With the cart has 4 wheels, each one independently locks and rotates at 360. Best part about it is that you have these 2 open drawers in the bottom, right? One has 2 tiers, has your hanging tools for all your stuff in here, for your utensils, cooking, pots, and so forth. You guys can see magnetic panels here. Has your bottle opener, all right, for outdoors. Now this thing has 2 sides of the cart. I'm gonna show you the 2 sides, all right? You can hang your utensils in here as a hanging area, right? Nothing new here. It's just the paper rack lays and the pack. And I don't even want to take out this tape yet because I want to keep it as new as possible and as long as possible. This is going to be outdoors all day. The other end, it comes with these hooks, all right, for utensils. Push cart, nothing new in here. Lock panel. That's pretty much it. Flat area surface, large flat area surface. Fits perfect my grill either on the left or right. I'm actually going to keep this in here permanent. I'm going to keep it outdoors, drag it into the corner where I know it's going to be nice and secure. I'm not going to remove the actual plastic until I'm ready to use. This is good for stainless steel for cooking, outdoors, indoors. This is going to be for outdoor graded right now. That's what I'm having. The whole cart is large enough for it to fit a lot of different kinds of things. I'm going to show you the different tiers it has. Let me introduce you to the center tier. Here, you could fit a lot of things in here, right? So this is going to be perfect for any pots and pans. At the bottom, like I said, you got one large empty area that you could plug in things in here. If you guys can see, if you have a that you need to power any kind of grills or anything like that, that's where the actual cable comes in. Hooks to hang things in here. On the other one, it has 2 tiers in here. Another place to actually hang your towels in here. Another rack area where you could put some more tools in here or spoons. It has 2 levels. I'm gonna have my grill stuff in here in the second level too. So I like that you have 2 areas. If you guys could see that, you could actually remove that and put it anywhere. So the whole thing took me about half an hour to put it together. This is a quick put together. I was surprised how easy and intuitive it was, but at the end, get a nice little beautiful cart ready to push out. Take it anywhere you go. You can even take it to the park if you want, but all you got to do is make sure you pick it up away from the wheels. You can lock them in place if you're taking this on the go. You got your bottle opener. There's plenty of space. Simple to install. I hope you guys enjoy the video.